Well, hello and welcome back to the Tamiya Australia YouTube channel. So I am here in a suburb of Perth called Redcliffe, and well, our airport is just over there down that way. And the reason I'm here though is because there's something I've been hinting at on the channel for a little while, and I found one on Facebook Marketplace, new in box, never built, with all the gear I'm going to need to build it. And yeah, I'm here to pick it up. So I don't want to film, I'm just at a park down the road. I don't want to film the guy's house because I don't think that's the right thing to do. But I'm going to shoot around there now, go and grab it, and I'm going to head back home and I'll give you guys a little video of what I bought. If you've watched the last few videos, you know what I've been hinting at. But yeah, I couldn't believe it actually came up on Facebook Marketplace. I made him a bit of a low offer. We counted back and forward a couple of times and we came to an agreement on price. So I'm just going to go around and pick it up. But I think it's going to be a pretty cool build for the channel, and I think you guys are going to like it. I'm really excited about building it myself. So yeah, let's head around his house now and I can show you guys what we got when we get home. Probably need to get a haircut, don't I? It's getting a little bit long. I just noticed that in the camera how bad it's getting. Anyway, that's another story. So I have no news for you guys. There has actually been nothing released recently, but well, it's coming up towards the end of May now. So in a week or so, they'll have the releases for July 2025, and I'll definitely bring you that video straight away as soon as I get the information up. But if you guys are like me, well, I'm going to do something a bit different today. I've been talking about this on the channel for a while. I've mentioned it in a few of the previous videos. And if you guys are anything like me, you scour Facebook Marketplace and Gumtree. I don't know what you guys use in US, Craigslist, I think. Pretty religiously looking for Tamiya products. So I do get a heap of stuff off Facebook Marketplace. I try and look for stuff that's advertised incorrectly, Tamiya spelt wrong, or toy cars or model car or something like that. If people know what they've got, they tend to be pretty well priced or just a little bit too high priced, like most things on Facebook are. But sometimes, every now and then, the Facebook gods shine on us and give us something we've been looking for. And today I'm going to bring you that video because I found something on Facebook Marketplace that I've been looking for, and at a price that was good, but I negotiated to a price that's a lot better. And I got way more than I thought I was getting, and I'm super happy with it. So you see some stuff I've just got down the front here. This is what came with it. So basically, I can tell you guys, I bought a tank. Well, a 1/16 scale tank. So it's, well, let me get it. It's awesome. Oh, there it is. So, Russian heavy tank KV1. I saw this on Facebook Marketplace about 2 months ago, and I shot the guy an offer, and he said, no, he's not going to accept what I offered. And it was up for a little bit, and then it disappeared, so I assumed someone bought it. But I saw it again appear last week, and I was in the middle of buying a couple of cars. I actually bought a couple of SW20 MR2s, and I was up and down from the southwest in WA, and I was trying to get to that and get to this at the same time. So I had a very, very heavy day trying to get stuff, but I ended up getting this and all this gear at the front here off the guy, and believe it or not, I paid $830 Australian for it, for the whole lot. Now, I actually did a little list up of all the stuff I got. So I got paints and sanders and primers and thinners and all the different accent colors, all the weathering kits, abrasives, files, brush sets, tweezers, color mixing jars, all sorts of stuff, and the tank. And I just checked online and to sort of get the best prices I could get. It came to $1,773.55, so just under half price to get everything. It's all brand new, unbuilt, untouched. It's actually even down there, you can't see it, but it's in the original box that it came from Tamiya factory in. So yeah, it's pretty wild kit. It's heavy, so yeah, it's different kit set up to the car kit. So you can see the artwork's amazing, and some metal parts here, all the multifunction units here. So you just got to add a 4-channel radio to it. Track's already done. It's amazing. I am really excited to build it. But it's there. So it's model number 56028, and it was originally released in the 1st of April in 2009. So it does have a lot of pretty cool features. It's nothing on the back's the same as the front. But it's a full option kit. It's got, like I said, all the controls are in it. It's twin 380 motors in it. 423 mils long when built, 210 mils wide, but 3.5 kilos in weight. So it's a heavy one. So they used a lot of good technology when they built it. So they recorded the actual sounds from the original tank, which is a 38.8 litre V12. I'll put a little video just up here, just playing from the Tamiya website while we're talking now. But yeah, it's a massive build. A lot of, I mean, with the glues and the paints and the different colors, there must be 17 different colors that it got, and all the brushes and stuff like that. So it's going to be, I think building it's going to be sort of half of it, and the other half's going to be painting and coloring and weathering just to make it look like a properly used tank. Yeah, I think just a cool tank, and I've been wanting one for so long, and I was pretty surprised. Like I said, it was up and then it was down and then it was up again, but $830 is a pretty awesome price. So I'm excited to have it, and I'm excited to build it. And I don't know if you guys want to see build videos. I look on YouTube and some build videos get tons and tons of views and some gets none views. And I don't know, for me personally, I'm not sure how to build it and film it at the same time, because obviously it's a double-handed operation you're trying to do. If you guys have any advice for me how to do that, or how you'd like to see that, or if you can push me in the direction of any channels that actually build it well and you guys like those videos, let me know in the comments, because yeah, I want to make a decent video. I don't want to do something that you guys are going to enjoy and I'm going to enjoy, but I don't want to make crap, basically, because yeah, it takes a lot of time to film and edit, and I want to enjoy the build of this. I've got so many new in-box kits. That's a new in-box kit, and I've got heaps behind, but I've got all sorts of builds that I can do. But yeah, this one I'm really looking forward to doing. So yeah, I've got a couple of months off towards the end of the year, so I might take some time to do that. But I've got those MR2s to fix as well, so I might be doing them. Who knows? I've got so many bloody projects all on the go at the same time. But anyway, that's what I've got news today. So very exciting. Oh, the KV1 heavy. Oh, very exciting. Exciting build, and exciting to find something reasonably well priced on Facebook Marketplace. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. We're going to see you next time. Oh, just before I go, that video I put up here, I'll let it run after the end of this video and just let it run. It's about a 3-minute video. It just shows this one running. It looks pretty cool. But yeah, I'll leave it running now. So enjoy this Tamiya video.